Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing of the things that I bought from Portsmouth Gunwharf Quays. So if you don't know that place, that is the outlet shop outside the London. It's called Gunwharf Quays Outlet Shop. So there are varieties of shops over there, and it is really cheap. So now I'm going to open some of the things that I bought, but mostly it's not mine. It's actually from my friends because they are the ones who are really addicted to shopping, you know. I just bought some few things, but then they are the ones who bought a lot, okay? So they will be doing the unboxing with me with a twist because we're gonna do the mukbang thing. So food will be served here while we're unboxing. Okay, so here they are. Clean and clean. Yay! Are you excited, guys? And our food. Done!
Anong gagawin?
So here's our Chinese food. So we're gonna do the unboxing with the mukbang. Aware ba kayo na itong gagawin natin?
No.
So tulungan niyo ako mag-unboxing, and then please don't eat too much kasi kakain pa ako. Labanan ng this one we ordered in
Golden Gate.
What? Golden Gate. Just its app. Golden Gate. Okay, and then
Carbs and carbs.
Chinese food. It's all fried rice. I don't know anong meron ba. Puro fried rice. Okay, so first unbox natin. Ano ba natin i-open?
Oh, ito na. Choose
Okay.
muna.
Yeah, fine. Okay, so this is from Vans.
Dapat kumakain ka din.
Sige, kumain ako. This is from Vans. So they also have an outlet store for Vans there. As you can see, the original price is £60 and the outlet price is £40. So this one,
Ito yung sa'yo.
maling decision sa buhay ni Jack. Yeah. So yun siya, £60 siya dati, £40 na lang siya sa outlet. I'd like to unbox this. Guess who? Guess kanino ito? Binili ito. Sobrang bigat. My God. Girl, na-carry mo ba to from Portsmouth to London?
Judy to family and friends.
Yeah, so she said bumili siya ng marami because it's the retail, what do you call that?
Regular retail price.
Regular retail price. So if you buy more, then you pay less. So, ayun, meron siyang Cadbury chocolates. Cadbury chocolates. If you buy this here in London, it's £1 each, di ba?
No!
£1 each.
£1 sa Poundland.
Sa Poundland. But if you buy it there, like, ganito kadami, so you're gonna have, like, 3-4 ganito, di ba? So, it's cheaper if you buy there. And then, meron din siyang mga giveaways sa mga pamangkin niya daw. Ayan, marami pa. I don't know what this is.
Wow.
And, oh my gosh, she has a lot of Toblerone. How much is the Toblerone, girl?
£1.
£1 each. But if you buy, like, how many? Ang dami pa.
5. Discounted.
5 pieces, you see. 5 pieces is $3.50 only?
Oh, hindi natin nalalaman.
Bakit hindi natin alam? Humingi tayo kanina, hindi natin
Kasi puro pang binili.
Pumunta kami doon, sabi namin ito kayo sa mga kupon.
So, if you visit Cadbury World, you have to buy, like, a lot. You have to buy retail. So, ayun. I don't know kung masarap. Taste test kaya tayo. Kahit isa lang. Taste test! Heroes! So, yeah. How much did you... So, yun, for pasalubong, it's good if you buy retail. This one. So, this is actually a gift for our friend.
Yes!
It's her birthday! Happy birthday, Nor! So,
Judy to family and friends.
yeah. She really likes Cat Kids one. So the original price of this pack bag, it's so nice because it's so, look at the color, it's so nice, and the texture, it's so shiny, isn't it? Maganda siya pang work.
Duty bag.
So from £50, ang mahal nun, magkano sa Pinas?
£50?
Yeah, the original price is 50. So we bought it for £5 only. Nor £5 only. Joke lang. It's 30 pounds. So, okay na rin siya, diba? It's a great deal. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to share this, but then it's not mine, ha? Someone just asked me to buy this. Yeah.
Really?
So this is my course.
It's not hers, wink wink.
Oh, I don't want to open it. Basta it's a sling bag. I'm gonna show you a picture there. I'm gonna insert a picture. Yeah, it's a sling bag. So it's worth ayoko na sabihin. Huwag natin sabihin. Basta it's like 40% off.
Ilan binili mo, girl? Ilan?
No, this is something
Pero kunin natin yung
I promised to my mom.
Duty to family and friends.
Yeah, that's why I bought this. So this one is a sling bag. I don't want to tell the price, but basta it's 40%. 40% off by the way.
hindi man lang.
And this one, I promised to my mom.
Tita, ayaw niyang bilhin.
It's 40% off naman. So this one is my friend's pasalubong to his father. So she got her dad Lacoste shirt. So it's actually the original price. It's actually £120 each.
120 pa?
Each originally, but then retail price, if you buy two, then you get to pay. Okay guys, shut up na. Basta it's like more than 50% off. More than 50% off. So, huwag mo doon itong bahay dito. Huwag mo itong bahay, please. So, Adidas.
For her brother.
Wow, this is so cute. Alam sa papa kayo.
Ay, sa
Duty to family and friends.
Yeah.
papa mo ulit.
Yung sa ito, kuya ko.
Tito,
Wow, this is so
kompleto
cute.
na pa-Christmas. Shoes and lakas.
Oh my god, this is such a great deal. From 44 pounds, it's only 29 pounds. Imagine you can buy this in the outlet
Ganun
shop.
mo lang ako.
Ang galing ni Claude maghanap. Paano ba ito naka-display or nung naka
Put in check.
in-check daw siya. Kiniklaim na in-check siya.
So,
Kasi autumn na tayo, fall na. So, kailangan may boots ka. So, it's a necessity here in London.
home cleanser lang nabili.
Ano to, girl? Ang laki naman ng box. Foaming cleaner.
Nabudol siya ng
What's this for?
cashier.
Oh.
Cleaner daw to. Sabi originally 10
She bought
pounds
for her
pounds
boots.
lang.
So, if you see this guy,
Char lang.
ang price ng boots is 110 pounds. So, it's like, oh my god, 8,000 pesos.
Hoy, may 110
Sponsored by NHS Bank Partners.
170.
Thank you, bank partners, for this. If it isn't because of you, wala siyang
It's
boots.
not 110.
And, by the way, it's waterproof. Oh my god! Yun pala yung problema ni Tin kanina. Ayaw niyang bilhin yung vest kasi daw pag winter magbabasa daw. Girl, itong challenge, alam mo ba itong mukbang challenge? Dapat maubos natin yung food. Pero hindi naman tayo nagmamadali.
Parang gusto ko na ako mag-mother.
Okay, so ito, I bought this from Levi's.
What?
Tara! It's 40
Grabe.
pounds only in the outlet store. So, yours? Oh, this pala, oh, from Cat Kids one. This is so cute, diba? Is it? Diba, it's so cute. And then, I bought the hand cream, which is like the same. And cute. So, only, from 5 pounds, it's 250 na lang. So, medyo matagal ang aming kain dito. And yun lang pala yung binili natin. Akala, kung makita yun sa mga IG posts nito mga to, parang ang dami nilang binili ganun. Pero yun lang pala yun. Okay guys, so failed yung aming mukbang because we weren't able to finish the food. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the like button. Comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye!